So guys, as I was saying, we plug in 4 for K because they can run 4 miles a day. I don't know how many days, that's what we can figure out and see how much Spot runs. So our 4 is our dependent, and the, which represents the amount of miles. So it could be 4 miles, so on and so on. And then X is our independent, so the amount of days. So again, the way I would do this is, here's our function. Here would be my table. If I wanted to figure out how many miles they ran in one day, I would go here and I would plug in 1 for X. So 4 times 1 gives me 4. That means in one day, they would run 4 miles. I can continue and plug in 2. So 2 miles, 4 times 2 would give me 8. So that would mean that Y is 8. That would be 8 miles. You guys can keep going and fill in your table. And then what you'll do is you'll go and graph it, just like we did here. And since days represents our independent value, it would go on the x-axis. So you would have to label this section down here as days, and this section right here as miles. Okay, so we went over that. Let's go to the back. Guys, and we hit on that in class, and that's basically being able to identify the function that represents direct variation. Okay, and these are flashback questions. It's just a good review. So if you have any questions, you can message me on my Remind, or contact me by email or on eClass. Okay, good luck, study hard, and I'll see you tomorrow.